Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying interfaces with IPlink or ifconfig on Kali Linux. Those commands show interface names and basic link state information. Use nmcli device status to check Network Manager for device and connection details. For a wired connection, plug an Ethernet cable into the NIC port and run dhclient eth0 to request a DHCP lease. Confirm the assigned address with IP at or show eth0 and test connectivity with ping 8. 8. 8. 8. If DHCP fails, assign a static IP temporarily with IP at or add 192, 168, 1, 50/24 dev eth0. For wireless use, nmcli for reliable control on Kali Linux systems. First run nmcli device Wi-Fi rescan and then nmcli device Wi-Fi list to display available SSIDs. Choose the SSID and connect using nmcli device Wi-Fi. Connect my SSID password, my pass to authenticate and join. Verify the connection with nmcli connection show and IP eder to confirm the assigned IP address. If the network uses WPA Enterprise, create a connection profile with nmcli and supply identity and password fields. To disconnect use, nmcli device, disconnect WLAN 0 and reconnect when ready. When manual control is necessary, use WPA passphrase my SSID, my pass to generate a WPA supplicant file. Launch WPA supplicant in the background with WPA supplicant biwlan 0c/ etc. /WPA supplicant. Conf to authenticate to WPA networks. After association, request an IP using dhclient WLAN 0 or use IP at or add for a static assignment. Restart Network Manager with systemtool restart Network Manager to reload configurations after changes. Use IP route show to inspect routing and test DNS with dig example. COM or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.